Hi, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I want to show you how you can do an I-cord to finish up different projects. So here this time I have a baby hat. So when you did your last round or row, you're going to take another third knitting needle and then we're going to go here and we're going to do a new stitch out of that and put that little loop on the left needle. So that goes onto the left needle, there we go. And then we're going to do the exact same step one more time. So we're going to go inwards, take a new stitch out and put it onto the left needle. And now I do these first two stitches knitwise. And the following two I'm going to do shortened. And this is how I'm going to do them. Now I'm going to put them back onto my left needle. I'm talking a bit faster than I'm working. There we go. So now we're putting these back onto the left needle and then we're doing them again knitwise, and the next two we're going to do shortened again knitwise and return them back to the left needle. And that's how you keep reducing one stitch at a time. And another trick that's pretty cool to know is that so that you don't have any waving going on at the end, every fourth row or every fourth turn, you can do 3 stitches instead of just 2. And that way you're going to prevent that from happening. And I'm just going to keep going so that you can see what it looks like, but from here on it's basically the same thing. This was 3 times, and now the 4th time around we're gonna do 3 stitches instead of just 2. And that's what we're gonna do with all of the stitches until we do really all of them from the beginning till the end. Also, if you have a feeling that it's a little bit too tight, then you can do 3 stitches at every 5th or 6th time, or if you notice that it's getting wavy and not the way you want it, then you're going to want to do 3 at every 3rd turn. So this is flexible and just make it work for you depending on how tightly or loosely you work. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know what you think, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in one of my next projects. Have a wonderful day. Bye!